Not for the first time. British weather has completely caught me off guard, as it has done one of my plants. Let me show you. We had some quite strong winds in my area last night, and as you can see, there's been a casualty. This kale has completely toppled over. I mean, it's no surprise, it's been in the ground since last summer, and it is ready anyway to be pulled out very soon. But before I do that and use this for some excellent compost material, some excellent green waste material, I wanted to show very briefly that there's still a crop I can get from this plant. So if I pull this up, you see here, these green shoots here, they are perfectly edible and they're tasty actually. I've tried them. As you'd expect, they don't taste of chocolate, they do taste of cabbage. But yeah, I've tried them, and I think, you could put 2 or 3 of them into a salad and it'd be quite tasty. Or you could have them like next to a steak or something. So there's still food to be had from this kale. And I will probably freeze some of the leaves here as well. So I've got them too. And yeah, that's going to go in my compost bin. The other method that you could use as an alternative if you don't have a compost bin is you could chop up the leaves, and then what you do is you chop up the leaves and you put them at the base of a plant that you want to give nutrients to. It's called the chop and drop method, and that's another way that you can reuse your old material to add some fertility to your garden.